Most of us don't think about our kidneys until they start screaming for help. But here's the cold, hard truth. By the time you actually feel pain or notice something is wrong, your kidneys might already be struggling at 50% capacity. Think of your kidneys as your body's most sophisticated filtration plant. They process about 200 quarts of blood every single day to sift out waste and extra water. But when that filter gets clogged due to poor diet, high blood pressure, or toxins, the whole system starts to fail. Now, I know what you're thinking. Lina, can kidneys actually repair themselves? While chronic kidney disease is serious, the latest nutritional science shows that specific superfoods can reduce the workload on your kidneys, flush out toxins, and actually help regenerate damaged tissues at a cellular level. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 foods that act like a reset button for your renal health. And stay tuned for number 1, because it's a common kitchen staple you've probably been using all wrong. Before we reveal the list, we have to understand the enemy. Inflammation and oxidative stress are the rust that degrades your kidney's delicate filters, known as nephrons. Once a nephron is gone, it's hard to get back. Our goal today is to protect the ones you have and optimize the environment so your body can heal. Starting our list at number 5, red bell peppers. Now, if you're a kidney patient, you've probably been told to watch your potassium. This is where most people get tripped up. Many healthy fruits and veggies are actually bad for struggling kidneys because they are too high in potassium. Red bell peppers are the holy grail because they are low in potassium but incredibly high in flavor and nutrients. They contain vitamin A and C, which are essential for immune function, and vitamin B6 and folic acid, which help prevent anemia, a common side effect of kidney issues. They also contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects against certain types of cancers. My pro tip for you is to not just slice them into a salad. Roasting them releases more of that sweet flavor without adding sodium. It's the perfect base for a kidney-friendly pasta sauce that won't strain your filters. Coming in at number 4 is a vegetable that usually gets a bad rep for its smell, but your kidneys absolutely love it: cauliflower. Think of cauliflower as the ultimate renal substitute. It's a cruciferous vegetable packed with indoles, glucosinolates, and thiocyanates. These compounds help neutralize toxic waste products that your kidneys might be too tired to handle on their own. But the real magic of cauliflower is its versatility. If you're trying to repair your kidneys, you need to slash your sodium and potassium intake. Cauliflower can be mashed to replace potatoes, which are potassium bombs, or turned into rice to lower your carbohydrate load. By swapping out high potassium potatoes for cauliflower mash, you're essentially giving your kidneys a day off from the heavy lifting. This allows the organ to focus on cellular maintenance rather than processing an overload of minerals. Number 3 is actually a group of tiny giants: blueberries. When we talk about repairing the kidneys, we are talking about fighting oxidative stress. Blueberries are ranked among the highest antioxidant sources on the planet. They contain phytonutrients called anthocyanins, which give them that deep blue color. Here's why this matters for your kidneys. Chronic inflammation acts like a slow fire in your renal tubes. Blueberries act like a fire extinguisher. Research suggests that the antioxidants in blueberries can help lower blood pressure, which is the #1 cause of kidney damage worldwide. When your blood pressure is high, it pounds against the delicate vessels in your kidneys like a jackhammer. By reducing that pressure through antioxidant-rich foods, you stop the damage before it starts. But here's a warning: avoid dried blueberries or blueberry jams. Those are usually packed with added sugars. High blood sugar is the #2 cause of kidney failure. Stick to fresh or frozen, and your kidneys will thank you. Our runner-up at number 2 is garlic. If you have kidney issues, your biggest enemy is sodium. Salt causes fluid retention, which puts immense pressure on your renal arteries. But let's be honest, low-sodium food often tastes like cardboard. Enter garlic. It's not just a flavor enhancer, it's medicine. Garlic has potent anti-inflammatory and anti-clotting properties. Most importantly, it contains allicin. Studies have shown that allicin can be as effective as some prescription medications at reducing blood pressure and protecting the kidneys from heavy metal toxicity. To get the most out of it, you have to follow my kitchen hack. To activate the allicin, you must crush or mince the garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. If you throw it straight into the pan or the oven, you lose the most important healing compounds. Let it breathe, and it will help your kidneys breathe too. And finally, the #1 food to repair your kidneys is extra virgin olive oil. Now, I know what you're thinking. Lina, that's an oil, not a food. But hear me out. The kidneys are surrounded by fat for protection, but the type of fat you consume determines how well they function. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in oleic acid, which has profound anti-inflammatory effects, but the real secret sauce here is a compound called oleocanthal. This compound works similarly to ibuprofen. It shuts down the inflammatory pathways in the kidneys without the toxic side effects that NSAIDs actually have on your renal system. Did you know that taking too many over-the-counter painkillers is a leading cause of drug-induced kidney injury? Swapping out processed vegetable oils for high-quality olive oil is one of the most significant changes you can make to stop kidney decay today. It lubricates the system and provides the clean energy your cells need to perform their filtration duties. We've talked about what to eat, but repairing your kidneys is a two-way street. You can eat all the blueberries in the world, but if you're still doing these 3 things, you're spinning your wheels. First, watch the animal protein. High-protein diets create a lot of urea, which is basically exhaust fumes for your kidneys. If your kidneys are already struggling, they can't clear that exhaust fast enough. Second, stay away from dark sodas. These are loaded with phosphorus additives. Unlike organic phosphorus found in plants, your body absorbs 100% of the chemical phosphorus in soda, which leaches calcium from your bones and creates stones in your kidneys. Finally, don't forget hydration. Think of your kidneys like a toilet. If you don't flush, things get messy very quickly. You need clean, filtered water to move the toxins out of your body so the repairing foods can do their job. To recap our list, use red bell peppers for low-potassium vitamins, cauliflower to neutralize toxins and replace heavy starches, blueberries to extinguish the fire of inflammation, garlic to lower blood pressure naturally, and olive oil to provide the healthy fats your filters need to glide. Taking care of your kidneys isn't about a magic pill. It's about the small, consistent choices you make every time you pick up a fork. Your body wants to heal. It is designed to maintain balance. You just have to give it the right tools and get out of its way. I want to remind you that while these foods are powerful, you should always consult with your doctor or a renal dietitian, especially if you are already on dialysis or have late-stage kidney disease, as nutrient requirements can change. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm that kidney health is important and helps us reach more people who might be struggling in silence. And if you want to know which specific fruits are the best for flushing out toxins and preventing stones, click the video on your screen right now. I've put together a full guide on the best ways to hydrate. I'm Lina. Eat well, live well, and I'll see you in the next one.